Merry Christmas. Chris Lamm, mortgage banker, Redding, California. Hope you guys are enjoying this winter season. Wanted to talk about a couple things this month, starting out with mortgage rates. Over the last 90 days, we've seen mortgage rates drop to 3-year levels. Now, that is something that most experts did not predict would happen. And there's lots of reasons why rates are going to the levels that we're seeing them at right now. We have the Middle East, some of the things that are going on in Europe, as well as our own Federal Reserve tapering the bond buying program, which was supposed to actually affect rates negatively, and it's not turning out that way. So this is good news for home buyers and sellers that are trying to put their home on the market during the winter months. And there's a lot of inventory right now. Obviously, here in Shasta County, we've talked about putting buyers in a great position to buy homes heading into 2015. Now, when I say low mortgage rates right now are probably around 4% for most mortgage products. They are under that for government loans, but a conventional 30-year fix has been right around 4% for the last 2 weeks. And that's a really great rate. It's giving a lot of home buyers the opportunity to purchase a home maybe a little bit higher than they were pre-qualified at a few months back, certainly giving them a better monthly mortgage payment. We're also seeing refinance applications higher than we've seen them for a long time. People that bought about a year ago right now can do a refinance, sometimes from an FHA loan to a conventional loan, and save quite a bit of money. The second topic we wanted to talk about this month is the return of the 3% down conventional loan. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac just released in the month of December that they are returning their 3% down conventional loan. Now, this is a great loan program. We had it a few years ago. Up until December of 2014, you were not able to do 3% down conventional. The lowest down payment available was a 5% down product. Other than that, you'd have to look at a government loan which had higher mortgage insurance, etc. So mid-December, we should be able to offer our borrowers a 3% down option for conventional financing, which is pretty awesome news. Now, what this can be used for is a purchase loan or a refinance. So for borrowers that don't have a lot of equity, they want to refinance their property into a conventional mortgage, this is going to be a good option for them. The other thing that we wanted to add to this is that the 3% can be gifted. Now, prior to the announcement that this loan program was coming back, when it existed back in 2010, that 3% had to be from the borrower's funds, and you could not use a gift to purchase a property. When I say a gift, I mean a gift from a family member for the down payment. This new program will allow gifts, so it's a pretty exciting loan product, and we're going to be putting more information out there as we get it. Lastly, we wanted to talk about an announcement that FHA made back in November. Now, for those of you that don't know, Federal Housing Administration is a government program that allows people to purchase a home with 3.5% down. And prior to 2012, this was one of the better programs out there, and it still is a great program. However, FHA experienced some problems with their funding fee a few years back, which caused them to lift their mortgage insurance premiums that they extend to the borrower, which is right now about 1.35% per month. And so it's basically become one of the more expensive loan products out there, and a lot of borrowers still use the program, but a few years ago it was 0.55% per month, so it's gone up almost 3 times what it used to be. So basically, this announcement was that FHA is now solvent again, which is a good thing. That means that their funding fee or their balance right now is higher than they anticipated it being for the next 5 years. So they've actually beat their goals, so to speak, of getting their balance to where they want it to be. And right now they're as solvent as they have ever been. And we're hoping that this year they're going to make some announcements that's going to allow them to decrease that monthly mortgage insurance premium that they charge to borrowers, which will hopefully make that a better loan program once again. Well, thanks again for watching this video blog. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If any of this information was beneficial to you or someone you know, feel free to forward this email on to somebody else or leave a comment below. And as always, if you have any questions about anything we went over in this video blog or anything else, feel free to call our office 282-1166, and we'll talk to you next month.